Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about some DIY sugar scrubs that you can make for yourself at home using stuff you probably already have in your kitchen, so you don't have to go out and buy a store-bought facial scrub. You can go ahead and make your own because exfoliating your skin is very important. And if you've taken my Makeup for Beginners email course, you know that. And if you haven't taken it, you can sign up down below. I will put the link in the description box. I am running late for my mother's birthday party, so we gotta make this quick. We gotta make it fast. Let's go. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what else you want to see, and if you have not already, please remember to subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on my post notifications so you never miss another upload, because I upload videos every single day. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the video. Quick. So using homemade sugar scrubs to exfoliate your skin is really good because you know you're using good ingredients. The ingredients are all natural. There's no, sulfates or anything like that in it, so you don't have to worry about it, being really harsh on your skin or breaking you out or anything like that, because you're making it yourself. You know exactly what's going in it. I personally love creating my own sugar scrubs, so I'm gonna show you everything you need to make your own scrubs at home and have wonderful exfoliated skin for the rest of your life. So the first sugar scrub that you can make for yourself at home is a peppermint sugar scrub. I love the smell of peppermint. I love the taste of peppermint. I love everything about peppermint. So this is one of my favorite masks, and all you need is 1 cup of sugar, white sugar preferably, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and 15 drops of peppermint essential oils. Just want to put it all in a bowl, mix it up real good, and put it in some kind of container, a jar, or some kind of Tupperware, so that you can keep it together. You don't just want to leave it out exposed to like the air and all the elements. So you want to make sure you put it into a container, and it should stay good for about a month or so, as long as you keep it in the fridge, because remember, it is still food, so you don't just want to leave it out, start to smell, stink, grow things. Not good. So keep it in the fridge, and it should last for actually, I think I have mine for about 6 months. So about 6 months, and you should be fine. The next sugar scrub on our list is wonderful. It is a lavender vanilla sugar scrub. I know, it sounds wonderful. It sounds like a dessert, but you don't want to eat it, I don't think. So what you are going to need for this sugar scrub is, again, coconut oil and sugar, preferably white sugar, vitamin E oil, vanilla extract, and lavender essential oils. I would say about 15 drops. You really don't want to get crazy with the essential oils because they are very potent. So I would say maybe 10 to 15 drops and you should be good. Mix it all together in a bowl, put it in a little mason jar, tie a bow on it, and give it to your mom for her birthday as a present for being late to her birthday party. The next sugar scrub up on our list is the Gingerbread sugar scrub. It's not Christmas. I don't know why I have so many Christmas related scrubs on this list. What you are going to need for this scrub is 1 cup of regular white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, coconut oil, almond oil, vanilla extract, cinnamon, allspice, ginger, nutmeg, and something to put it in. I know this one has a lot of stuff in it, but you really want it to have that gingerbread smell, because it's just going to take you to where you want to be. It's just going to take you there, and it's going to be amazing. So you want to make sure that you have everything, because it's just going to make the experience so much better. The last sugar scrub on our list is probably my favorite, because chocolate is like the best thing in the world, and it is the chocolate coconut sugar scrub. Doesn't that sound delicious? Maybe I'm hungry. That's possible. You are going to need brown sugar again for this scrub, coconut oil. Are you sensing a theme here yet? Almond oil, cocoa powder. Remember, this is chocolate we're going for here, people. I recommend using the unsweetened cocoa powder, but if you can only find the sweetened, either will work. And again, a few drops of coconut oil or some kind of essential oil, whichever one you would prefer to use. This one is amazing, you guys. It smells great, it works great, it's great. It's really good. Well, you guys, that is it for this video. I am so sorry that it is so short and that I seem like I was rushing a little bit, but I did want to get content up for you guys. But I do have to go to my mom's birthday party, and I promise that makeup tutorial is coming tomorrow. No excuses, I'm gonna get it done, I promise. But I'm hoping that this will hold you over until tomorrow. So again, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below what else you want to see, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss another upload, because I do upload YouTube videos every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video with a makeup tutorial. Promise. Bye, guys. Subscribe. This highlight is not playing, okay? It's fine. We love to shine, don't we? Hey, beauties. Welcome back to my... Whoa. What was that, camera?